Test. All right, everything's good there. Come over here. I can hit play again. Yeah. Oh man, that was annoying. But all right, we have it up. We's up and running. I guess that's you need to get it then, huh? All right. Back on the clock, yeah. Okay, so that's been completed. Need to go in and check it done the correct way. I was thinking these are easy updates, for other ones, sometimes there is a bit of back and forth. In the correct way. I was thinking. It's like tomorrow. Alright, well, for task number 3, it says change titles on homepage to new font. Okay. Okay. Great. Alright. Let's give her a little smiley face. We'll talk tomorrow. Boom. Good to go. So she wants to change this font right there. Typography. For headings and for body. The question is, what the hell is it changing, huh? And then for here, let me see if it changes that. Mono. It's not changing anything, is it? Nope. All right, first things first. We already know the deal. Just want to make sure I'm on the clock. Am I on the clock here? No, tracking. Yep. I got one viewer. Man, I had 7 good viewers earlier. My freaking internet crapped out. Oh well. No big deal. We keep pushing. You know this, I can exit out of that. And here, I guess I can keep this open, sure. All right. So what section is this? Two product templates. The two product templates. I guess I could start it with that. To change the font of only that page, that title, the collections, or what do you affect this change? I think I'm pretty much done with that one. What I can do is start working on come over here. To cards event. Date, and that's what I'm working on now. The cart event. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna boom start that over, just in case. So for that one, I believe I was sent an invite. Chimneys, I mean chimney crickets. Login. Oh my goodness, so much security. New device login. Please put in this password. Like that two-factor authentication, whatever. It gets old, man. It gets old. I'm just gonna say that. Hey, two viewers, man. Welcome to the coding desk. We're actually I'm only gonna be working for the next 20-30 minutes. I just want to see how far I can get with this final task, which is adding an event listener. So whenever they get an email, whenever somebody adds something to a cart, we can start a campaign, for example. It captures that. So that's what we're working on here. Let's see, flows. And I'll go ahead and bring this over. You know what? This might be sensitive information, so I actually won't share this. Browse abandoned cart after someone checked out. We'll include someone if has placed order 0 times and starting this flow and has got started 0 times and started this flow and has added to cart 0 times. Starting this flow and has not been in the flow in less 1 hour. Okay, cool beans. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna select all this, copy. And if I follow this correctly, I'm gonna be pasting this.
This takes us to a page with Klaviyo, and then switch here, click Online Store, Themes, and then select Edit Code from the dropdown. From here, search for the product.liquid file. Click that file to open it in the editor, and then paste the code snippet at the bottom of the file after all the existing code. Then hit Save. Afterwards, switch back into Klaviyo to test that the tracking is working. Enter your Shopify store URL in the box and
All right, fair enough. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna come over here. Liquid code. I guess I can kind of come over here too, right? I can do it over here. Main product, yeah, because I don't think there is a product dot liquid. It's just main product dot liquid, right? Press product card, product placeholder, a main image section. Yeah, so I just product dot liquid, I guess. And all the way at the bottom is what she claims we're supposed to go. Underneath that schema, I don't know. Let me go back over here. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna maximum large it.
tracking is working. Snippet at the bottom of the file after all the existing
code.
Then hit Save.
Can do. Suppose that's pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? Boom. Let's go ahead and save that. It updated just fine. That was just now, yeah. Make sure I'm on the clock. Boom. Read product. Cool. And then to go ahead and test that, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna grab. Whoops. Oh. Right here. This snippet right there. Copy. We'll bring it over here. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm hitting next. Data received. Continue. Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, so that's been added. I just want to make sure that I'm still live and my face is still visible. Wait. And guys, if there's anything you think or you would like to see on these streams, right? Feel free to let me know. Feel free to let me know. This is a growing experience for all of us, right? I hope that I can provide you guys with some value on what it means to be a Shopify developer. And I hope that I could, or it'd be cool if, I get value back from you guys too. Just find ways to grow. But not necessary. It could be any section on the homepage. Any section in the theme settings, blog titles, page titles, product titles. Oh, no need to yell, lady. Just put an exclamation point at the end. That's why I say that. Shoot, the hyperlink affected the other known per section in a way I wasn't thinking of. Is there a way to use a hyperlink in the actual font section? Oh, I had no idea there was an error there. I'm going to go ahead and finish this part here, and then I'll go into that. So we view product snippet in product. Okay. Shows the snippet added to the bottom. All right. The idea adds a cart. All right, on your site. Let's see if it matches that variable in the snippet. The placement of the add to cart variable, whose default name is add to cart, is highlighted within the snippet below. Now the ID is you need to change the text within the quotes to match that of the add to cart. Okay. And the console will open again and show in the source code. The snippet match that, Once you save the variable, you finish adding the snippet and will now track the added to cart event. Okay, very straightforward. So I'm gonna copy that. We're gonna add it right there. Let me make sure that it, yep, it got added just fine. Then I'm gonna come over here and select yeah, so I want to check if that is live. So let's go ahead and click on this. Nope, I wanted to come over here. Let's go. I say I wanted to go ahead and buy this and pre-order. I guess my question is, can I actually buy anything? Add to cart, here we go. Name Alice, the class, control ID. Control ID 7. Section, change the name and remove the hyperlink. Just have its function how I did before. You can let me go ahead and jump into that real quick. Let me check here. Just like the non-themes, you need to edit the content of the snippet. Skip ahead to skip things. I don't know how to edit your snippet. Okay. All right, so let's say I stopped working on this, went back to task 2. Start tracking. She's saying that that link I changed that. Oof. Now I see the benefit of updating this all the time. Actually going back to editing over here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Collection -hour_text. Okay. Added underline to the class collection for text in the collection for CSS. But then I guess that changes what exactly? Okay. This has a navigation because I use this brutal font right now. Okay. Let me take a look here. And baby girl. So if I come over here, click home. Wait, I don't need this open right now. Oh, actually, no, we might just be back at the home page. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice. That's another collection. Yeah, the collection starts with that. Duplicate section, change name, and remove the hyperlink. Oh, no way. Shoot, the hyperlink affected the unknown. In the actual font section. What if let me see some. First off, let's get some more music in there. Second off, I want to open up. Uh-huh. Hmm. Hmm. Name cart. Whoa. Nope, nope, don't need you opened up. Alright, so it's a little stinky dinky I saw. What's up, Star? I don't know if he's still in here, bro. I don't know when you said that. But I don't got the chat opened up here. Um, but yeah, I got a little something opened up here, bro. It's my client, and can't be mad at what I'm working on. You know what I'm saying? Um, but yeah, so let me go ahead and find here. Election. Think here, real quick. First off, why am my music running? Boom. Hmm. And why isn't the music going? I gotta say, for this being Apple Music, there you go. It's a little clunkier than I wish it would. I'll tell you that. Yeah, you were slamming that wine, bud. Oh. Each collection with a unique identifier. I don't know. I don't I don't know. Let me take a look here. I'm trying to see if there's a way to add that option here on the slide here. See, has like a font and there's bold. Let's see. Toolbar. I feel like that'd be way more complicated than what they're paying me for. Oh, the kind of time I want to put into it. I'm not sure. No idea how Shopify works. Sorry, just guessing. No, hey, this is, I'm kind of shooting in the dark here too. But it doesn't exactly look like a collection hour. It's just that's the name of the class. And the same goes for anything inside of it. Boom, boom, boom. And there's the rest of it. And these are just the items, but nothing crazy with it, you know what I mean? And then the text itself is text. So I added the underline to text, but the issue that created is that it gave all this underlining as well. You know what I mean? That section there, it's not supposed to be. So yeah, giving this, yeah, let me just Google it this time around. Maybe there's actually an easy workaround. And let me actually update over here what I've done. Ask for added the snippet, the first and second snippets to the main dash liquid file. Need to change the button ID in the snippet. Boom. Just so I can stay organized. So tomorrow when I hop on, for example, I know exactly what I'm looking for. I was hoping for an identifier for the collection you wanted. Yeah, I agree. So I'm actually just gonna Google it and see if there's an easy answer to it. Let's find out. Let's see. So Shopify Dawn add line option to links, and it is a link, right? That we're tuki. Yeah, or it's link or collection text. There you go. But collection text might be better verbiage. Underline and down theme. Underline when hovered. Down theme, spacing the menu list, and remove underline using the rich text editor for content. So remove hyperlink now. To collection text. This might be too specific. Who knows if anybody is actually remove underline and hover product titles. Not exactly, man. I have managed to remove most of the underline from my site. Do it. Go ahead, open that up. It might be helpful. It might not. I don't know. Shopify down theme customization guide with demo. And is recent. Okay. No, doesn't talk about this at all. Research. Good solution. Accommodate future changes. Additions. And whatever this is. No, this ain't the answer. It's not the answer we're looking for, Sway. It's code wise. This section obviously looks exactly the same, doesn't it? Yeah, list items. And inside of each list item, we've got a link. Inside that link is the text. Okay, over here, because maybe I can add some kind of logic like if link, because this is within a link, but it's not, that text alone is not the link. Versus over here, if you notice, it has a link and then it has a text. It has a link and then it has a text, but the text happens to be a link. And I'll show you what I mean by happens to be a link. Look, come over here, this section here. Where we at, homie? Where we at? Look, we come over here. This section here, it's not a link, right? I didn't hit insert link. It's just text. And then boom, 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 boom. Versus this section up here, it's a link. And hold at that. Bathroom break. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Pee-pee break. All right, I am back. My camera's still on. Yes, it is. Yeah, because you put text underline on that entire text class. Right, exactly. Yeah. And I'll show you here exactly. Boom, look, everything that goes in within that class is going underlined. What I could do is in the code here, where's it at? Wherever that section is in this code, control find collection dash our underscore text. Where's it at? There it is. I could put some logic that says if, you know, if the text is underlined or if the text is a link, and I don't know if that can be captured, then add this class. There, that's the identifier. That is the identifier, but that is the identifier for, and you let me know if I'm missing something. But this is the identifier for line 9 as section ID. Line 9. Yeah, I see what you're saying. On 8. All right. Yeah, only underline certain categories text. Yes. I'm following what you're saying. That's what I'm trying to remember here. Here's what I could do. Go ahead and find that out. Watch this. Oh man, I'm trying to remember exactly how I did it when I was manipulating the code before in the course. Because there is a way to just print that. I mean, shit, watch this. Hold on. I guess right under here. Let me see something. Whoops. I just added right on the text, so that way I know exactly where to find it, right? And just type in a section ID. And I might have to JSON that, but let's see. Save. Make sure it updated just fine, yo. And then we come over here. Let's go ahead and click refresh. All right. This is the section ID right here. Is it a double dash? Let's stare and compare the difference. Ending in C77. And this is ending in F4D. Right, 098. Okay. So we're definitely getting somewhere here. This is only underline. Okay, quick. Wait, I'm just catching up on what you're saying. Hey, what are you trying to achieve? Only underline certain categories text. Exactly. How do you know which category variable you want to print? Exactly. Yeah. Yep. Nice. Nice. Does that shit change every time you refresh? I don't think so, but let's find out. C77. Refresh. And then C77, and I'm gonna go into a different page here, and then come back to my home page. And C77, nope, that is the title there. So this has a very particular title. So what I can do is, how can I put that in a class? So I know a particular thing has it. And if the section stays the same, I could just literally put if section ID is equal to then that section ID, then give it this class, which clearly it is staying like that. Let me see something though. If I move this section around, where is that section around? I just want to make sure, like, if I move that section around to another place, will it stay like that? Like, is that a future-proof solution for my client? You know what I mean? Because once I start changing things around and come back, if it's gonna be fucked up, or then that kind of defeats the purpose. You know what I mean? Let's see if I move this over, let's say down here. Damn, what was it before? Can I do Control Z? Yeah, okay. It was right above spacing. Cool. Say I move it down here. Say I click save. And let's say I refresh that. Yeah, make sure this seems sketchy and not feature proof. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, so it keeps the same name. But then once, let's say this completely delete this section and then add it again, it might have a completely different name. All right, where we at? Here you go, collection hours. Let's move it right above. Spacing again. Boom, yeah, save. Man, the best solution, and it would be cool for me to learn how to do that, but the best solution would be to edit it so that it populates here. And where is this section? I might be able to go as far as figuring that out too, right? Just using inspect. Div toolbar wrapper. Let me go find out. Let's see if I do. Toolbar. Nope. No, that ain't it. Definitely will be different, exactly. Yeah. I'm gonna sit on this one. Let me go ahead and take some notes on it so I know how to come back later and pick it right back up. Task 4. Tried and add class to specific section .id that that is not future proof. Punto. Yeah, I should be able to figure it out from there. All right, I gotta get off. I gotta go pick up my son and daughter from daycare. I'm a little late for that. But I'm gonna come to a stopping point here. So let me go ahead and shut off the time tracker. And I'm at 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, so I gotta hustle and bustle this next couple sections. But I'll be back on tomorrow, my guy. See you later, Mr. Ansible. If I see you tomorrow, great. If not, God bless, man. I'll see you when I see you. And yeah, peace out. And thanks for your help, man. Always fun to do this with somebody else. All right.